Some of the animals in here contain lycids, geckos, feral cats, tiger snakes, goshawks, swift parrots, and sugar gliders. The bug population will increase due to less predators. Sugar gliders, they will have less food as the babies and the mums of swift parrots, and the goshawks will go hungry as their main food is aves, which is the same classification as a swift parrot. The PKO project is a project where they build these little boxes with holes only big enough for swift parrots to get into, so their predator, the sugar glider, cannot enter and kill the babies and the mum. This will drastically help the population.